Okay, family, so the new math strategy that we learned today is regrouping using a place value chart. Students have been practicing drawing models on a place value chart since we began place value about a month ago, but today we're learning to add with it when we regroup some ones. Now, when moms and dads might have learned in the past, they might have called this carrying the ones. It is truly regrouping because we're taking a group of 10 ones, and instead of calling it ones, we're trading it in for a 10. So to start with our problem 23 plus 48, I drew a place value chart here. And a place value chart, we learned, is just like two vertical lines and a horizontal line. Students often see it as a letter H, but with a cross at the top, or two side-by-side letter T's, whatever works best for them. So first things first, we need to draw in our blocks to match our numbers. So if we start with 23, we need to draw in 2 10s and 3 1s. So if we're drawing in 2 10s, here are my 2 10s in my 10 spot. And then if I need to put my 1s, I'm going to draw in my 3 1s. 1, 2, 3 1s. Now I'm going to my second number, and I'm going to draw in 48, which is 4 10s and 8 1s. So I'm adding a 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. And then I'm going to add in my 8 1s. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some students are drawing just specks with their pencil for their ones. I'm really encouraging circles because sometimes those specks, those dots of the pencil can be confused. So we want to draw clear, careful models. Also, it really helps your picture stay organized if you try to group them together in rows of 5. All right, so after we have drawn in our blocks for each number, so 23 and then 48, then it's time to add. And in order to add, we actually look at our ones first. So we're always going to start in the ones place, and we need to count and see how many ones we have. If we have more than 9 ones, then we're going to regroup them. We're going to change them in for a 10 stick. So if we look, I see that I have 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. So I'm going to circle 10 of them. And then I'm going to show where I'm regrouping them. So I'm going to show with that arrow that we're moving them to the 10 spot. And I'm going to add, instead of 10 ones, I'm going to add my 1 10. Then I can go through and I see I have 1 1 left over. And if I count my 10s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer of 23 plus 48 is 71. And that was showing that problem using a place value chart and regrouping. Now, this is a new strategy that we just started today, so it's possible your student still needs some more practice with it. As with our other strategies, we're going to continue practicing it. Tomorrow, we'll be using the same strategy again. So please don't fret if your student isn't proficient yet. We will get there soon. If they need help, of course, you can send them in before school. The door is always open at least 15 minutes before the bell. I'd be happy to help them there as well. Thank you.